I have told you that this is indication practice, right? Indication means I won't speak Hindi and as well as you won't speak Hindi, right? Both will speak English to English and I will indicate you, I will give you some hints like as a time and I will tell about the persons and I will give the hint of actions. Time, person and action. एन एक्शन जिसे हम वर्ब बोलते हैं, राइट, या काम बोलते हैं. तो मैं व्यक्ति का और टाइम का और काम को लेकर के हिंट दूंगा एंड जिससे आपको सेंटेंस पुट अप करना है. और अगर मैं आस्क बोलूं तो पूछना है और अगर मैं यस बोलूं तो आपको हाँ में जवाब देना है और अगर मैं नो बोलूं तो आपको मना करना, ना बोलना है, राइट. एंड इंडिकेशन में अगर मैं अपने लेफ्ट में इंडिकेट करूं तो आप व्यक्ति को कंसीडर करेंगे और वो व्यक्ति है ही, और अगर मैंने राइट में इंडिकेट किया तो आप पर्सन को कंसीडर करेंगे और वो पर्सन है शी. और अगर मैं अपने आप को कंसीडर करूं और आस्क, अगर मैं आस्क बोलूं और अपने आप को बोलूं तो इट मींस आप यू कंसीडर करेंगे और अगर मैं यस या नो यानी रिप्लाई करने के मोड में अगर आपको मैं बोलूं और अपनी तरफ इशारा करूं तो आप कंसीडर करेंगे आई. इज इट क्लियर? सो कुड आई स्टार्ट? प्ले चेस present, ask. हाँ, once again. Yes. लेकिन no. Yeah, once again. Yeah, he doesn't play chess. Once again. Sing a song, past, ask. Come on. Once again. Yeah. Once again. Past, it means second form. She sang a song. लेकिन no. Once again. I didn't sing a song. Go to market. Future. Ask. Yeah. Once again. Will he go to market? Yes. He'll go to market. लेकिन no. Come on. She won't go to market. Attend the session. Present continue. Ask. Very good. Once again. Are you attending the session? Yeah. Come on. लेकिन no. He's not attending the session. Take lunch. Just finished. Ask. Come on. Very good. Once again. Has he taken lunch? Yeah. No. In short. She has in short. She's taken lunch. Once again. She's taken lunch. लेकिन no. Come on. I haven't taken lunch. Beat the IS. Present capacity. Ask.
Can you beat the IS?
Very good. Once again. Can you beat the IS? Once again. Yeah. I can beat the IS. लेकिन my neighbor no. Once again. My neighbor can't beat the IS. Okay. Practice in English. Past continue. Ask. Practice in English. Past continue. Ask. No. He. Once again. Was he practicing? Yeah. He was practicing. Once again. लेकिन my friend no. Once again. My friend wasn't practicing. My friend wasn't practicing. Enjoy the class. Want to ask. Ask. Once again. Short. Yeah. Once again. Wanna enjoy the class? Wanna enjoy the class? Yes. I wanna enjoy the class. I wanna enjoy the class. लेकिन my neighbor no. Once again. My neighbor doesn't wanna enjoy the class. My neighbor doesn't wanna enjoy the class. Earn name and fame. Need to ask. Earn name and fame. Need to ask.
Need to earn the name and does he need to earn the name and fame?
Once again. Speak up. Does he need to earn name and fame? Does he need to earn name and fame? Yes.
He needs to earn name and fame.
Come on. He needs to earn name and fame. लेकिन my uncle no. Come on. My uncle doesn't need to earn name and fame. Keep a pet. Like to ask about my mother. Once again. Come on, good. Does your mother like to keep a pet? बहुत ज़्यादा. Very good. My mother loves to keep a pet. लेकिन no. Come on. She doesn't like to keep a pet. Poison to ear. Hate to ask. Very good. Come on. Do you hate to poison to ear? Do you hate to poison to ear? Yes. Come on. I hate to poison to ear. लेकिन my aunt no. Come on. My aunt doesn't hate to poison to ear. My aunt doesn't hate to poison to ear. Go abroad. Want to ask about my friend. Go abroad. Want to ask about my friend. Once again. Does your friend wanna go abroad? Yes. My friend wants to go abroad. लेकिन my uncle no. My uncle doesn't wanna go abroad. Protect the family. Try to ask about my father. Come on. Protect the family. Try to ask about my father. Very good. Does your father try to protect the family? Come on. Does your father try to protect the family? Yeah. My father tries to protect the family. लेकिन no. Very good. Once again. She doesn't try to protect the family. Okay, advice. Come on. She should try to protect the family. Dine out. Need to ask about my uncle. Very good. Once again. Does your uncle need to dine out? Yeah. My uncle needs to dine out. लेकिन no. He doesn't need to dine out. Pretend present continue. Ask about my neighbor. Pretend present continue. Ask about my neighbor. No does. Present continue.
Is your neighbor pretending?
Yes, very good. Once again.
Is your neighbor pretending?
Is your neighbor pretending?
Is your neighbor pretending?
Yeah.
My neighbor is pretending.
My neighbor is pretending.
My neighbor is pretending.
लेकिन no,
I am not pretending.
I'm not pretending.
I am not pretending.
I'm not pretending.
I am not pretending.
A swing in the giant wheel. Present ask. Swing in the giant wheel. Present ask. Very good. Very good. Once again. Does she swing in the giant wheel? Yes. She swings in the giant wheel. She swings in the giant wheel. लेकिन my mother no. My mother no. Yes, my mother doesn't swing in the giant wheel. My mother doesn't swing in the giant wheel. My mother doesn't swing in the giant wheel. Live in reality, like to ask. Live in reality, like to ask. Very good. Once again. Does he like to live in reality? Does he like to live in reality? No. He doesn't like to live in reality. लेकिन बहुत ज्यादा. I love to live in reality. I love to live in reality. Spend money lavishly. Spend money lavishly. Hate to ask about my father. Once again. Come on. Does your father hate to spend money lavishly? Does your father hate to spend money lavishly? Yes. My father hates to spend money lavishly. लेकिन no. Come on. Yeah, she doesn't hate to spend money lavishly. She doesn't hate to spend money lavishly. She doesn't hate to spend money lavishly. Narrate story past ask.
Did you narrate story?
Come on. Did you narrate story? Yeah. I narrated story. लेकिन my cousin no. Come on. My cousin didn't narrate story. My cousin didn't narrate story. Participate in the competition. Past continue. Ask. Participate in the competition. Past continue. Ask. Come on. He. Come on. Was he participating in the competition? Was he participating in the competition? Yeah. He was participating in the competition. Can she jump from 10th floor? Yeah. Can she jump from 10th floor? No. She can't jump from 10th floor. लेकिन my neighbor yes. My neighbor can jump from 10th floor. My neighbor can jump from 10th floor. Practice in English. Present continue. Ask. Are you practicing in English? Are you practicing English? Yes. I'm practicing in English. I'm practicing in English. Okay, just finished. Ask. Same action. Ask. Have you practiced in English? Have you practiced in English? Yeah. Aap practiced in English. Aap practiced in English.